In this video, we are gonna go over integers. What are integers? So if you look at this table, you have integers on the left and you have not integers on the right column. So what are the integers? Integers are counting numbers. And 0. It can be positive numbers, it can be negative numbers, or it can be a 0. Let me try a different color. And here, do you see this point here? This is 1.8, 0.56. These are decimals. And 1/2, 3/4, these are fractions. So integers, you don't see any like point, decimal point. You don't see any fractions. These are not integers. So integers, not integers. Counting numbers, you should be able to count if it is an integer. So let's do the practice problems. -8, integers? Yes. 5.8, is it an integer? No, you have the decimal point. It is not. 2/3 is a fraction, it's not an integer. 0 is an integer. So you can pause the video and try 5 to 8 and then take your answer. 700 is an integer. 45.34, this is not an integer. This is a decimal. -343, it is an integer. 7/3, it is a fraction, so it is not an integer. And then let's go over positive, negative, or neither, or make the screen bigger. So -7 is a negative number. 7, you don't see positive sign, but it is assumed it is positive. 0 is 0, so it is neither. It is neither positive or nor negative. Negative sign, negative sign, -3,478, so it's negative. Now you have 7,835, you don't see any sign, that means it's positive. 64 is positive. -12 is negative. Okay, so how are integers used every day? For example, if you have the word like increase, if we say increased by 3, that means it's +3. If you have decreased by 3, that means it's -3. If you say you gained 20 pounds, that means it's +20. If you lost 20 pounds, it means -20. If you go up 10, it's +10. If you go down, then it's -10. Okay, next page. Okay, so on the next page, you have 6 practice questions. I want you to work on those questions and check your answers with Ms. Kim.